After yesterday's video, decided I'll check the bike for spark. I pulled both plugs, realized we had no spark, so started chasing on the problem. I first checked the caps, no corrosion or anything in the caps, and moved down to the rotor. You can see here we've got the two ignition points. They had a little bit of gum on them, so I took some 600 grit sandpaper, rubbed it on the inside, and then cleaned it off with just a simple leather soaked in some brake cleaner. Made sure it's all clean. Pull the plug again, and very first kick, and that's it. Bike got spark. Right, just gonna test some brake cleaner down the cylinders. Plugs back in her. Don't need to show you guys this. Okay. Put another little tube down this second cylinder. Snug. Okay, back on it. She works! After that first test, we just put some fuel down the carb, just my makeshift fuel bottle here. I had it running about a minute ago, so won't be too surprised by what happens, but pass the phone off. There we go. There we go. It runs. After 74 years, or not 74 years, since 1974, that's the first time it's seriously been started and ran. Not a bad day.